Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel using AI. We'll explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your spreadsheet work, making tasks faster and more accurate. You'll discover methods for automating repetitive actions, generating complex formulas with simple commands, and gaining deeper insights from your data. Get ready to transform your Excel experience with powerful AI capabilities. Data preparation often consumes a significant amount of time, but AI can streamline this process. It intelligently identifies errors, standardizes formats, and even extracts relevant details from messy text. Imagine cleaning thousands of rows in minutes, ensuring your data is accurate and ready for analysis. This efficiency saves you valuable time and reduces manual effort. Creating complex formulas can be daunting, but AI simplifies it. You can describe what you want to calculate in natural language, and AI will suggest the correct Excel functions. Beyond formulas, AI assists with advanced statistical analysis, helping you uncover hidden trends and patterns within your data, providing a clearer picture for decision-making. Finally, AI enhances your ability to visualize and report on your data. It can automatically generate insightful charts and graphs, summarize key findings, and even help build dynamic dashboards. This means you can present your information clearly and effectively, making your reports more impactful and easier to understand for any audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.